Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If this is your first time here, welcome. For today's video, I just wanted to do something really simple but a little bit different from the last video that I did as far as fall inspired. I wanted to do more of like an everyday fall makeup. So what I did today is I kept it really minimal on the eyes, some dramatic lashes, which I think are still really wearable. They're very pretty, they're very flirty. I really love these lashes. I get these at my local beauty supply. They're only like $2 or $3. They're very affordable, and they're really nice. They're very comfortable. Like I said, I decided to keep it pretty minimal on the eyes and then just go in with a really dark vampy lip. The only reason why I went with like a glossy lip is because my hair is up, so I don't have to worry about my hair flying into my lip gloss and getting all over my face. And because my lips are very dry at the moment, so I wanted to make sure that they didn't look all crusty and gross, so I topped it off with a gloss. I do show you all the products I used in the video, and I'll also have them listed down below, so make sure you check the description box for that if you're interested. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I actually have things to do today and places to go, a meeting at my daughter's school, and this is what I'm going to wear tonight. My hair is going to stay up in a bun because I didn't wash it today, and it's kind of cloudy, so there's just no need to do my hair. We're good. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! We're going to start off by priming our eyelids. I'm just using the Sephora Gel Serum Concealer, and then I'm taking the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush just to buff all that out. I really like this brush. It blends everything really nicely and super easy. We're going to be using the Tarte Clay Play palette. I believe this is the face shaping palette, and I'm taking the shade Sand just to set that concealer into place, and then I'm going in with the shade Journey. And I'm just going to apply this all into the crease. I'm using a BH Cosmetics blending brush. I'm going to go in with another blending brush and taking the shade Ember. And basically we're going to do the same thing and put this into our crease as well. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Instinct and put this all over the lid. I wanted to keep this eye look really matte. Then I'm going to go in with that fluffy brush again and just blend out any harsh edges. No additional product, just whatever's left on the brush. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Solstice, and I'm going to use this to apply it to the brow bone and the inner corners. Going in with some eyeliner, I'm using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. I love this eyeliner. It is so black, so matte, definitely waterproof, and it's so easy to use. I love it. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and then I'm going to apply some falsies. I'm not exactly sure what the number is to these. I'll have to leave it linked down below. Now to start on the face, I'm going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Mist and the Too Faced HangoveRx Primer. And then my favorite foundation, which is also by Too Faced, it's the Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the color Sand. And I'm pretty much just going to speed through this because I know you all know how to apply your foundation. And I'm just using my beauty blender to blend that out. And then I'm taking the Flower Beauty Concealer in the shade Light Medium. I really like this concealer, but for whatever reason, it's got a really weird scent to it now. And I haven't had it that long, so I'm not sure what's going on. But I'm just going to take another beauty blender to blend that out. And then I'm taking the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder to set that concealer. I kind of bake, but kind of not really. For the rest of my face, I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup in the shade Banana, I believe, and I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face. Then going back into that Tarte Clay palette, I'm taking the shade Terracotta. I'm using that to add some warmth to my face and just kind of bronze And then I'm going in with that same shade and the shade Timber. And I'm gonna use that to further contour. I kind of just stamp it into the hollow of my cheeks first, and then apply the rest of the product to my temples, my forehead. Then I go back in and blend all that out, just so it's not like super harsh. And then with whatever's left on the brush, I just contour my nose. Then taking that Sacha Buttercup powder again, I just want to clean up that contour. For blush, I'm taking Milani's Baked Blush in the shade Red Vino. This is one of my favorite fall blushes. I love it so much. I didn't show a clip of the highlight. I don't know where it went, but I'm just using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Beautiful highlight. And then I'm going to take the Milani setting spray and then just set my face. For lips, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the shade Gone Burgundy. And I'm going to fill in my lips with that as well, just so that my lipstick lasts a lot longer. Then for lipstick, I'm taking the Essence Matte lipstick in the shade It's a Statement. That's what it says, so that's how I read it. And then for gloss, I'm taking the Hikari lip gloss in the shade Merlot. That is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Love you.